Hey, it's Mark, RPM Tesla. We're going to show everybody how to install these clear door sill paint protection film pieces. These are great, glossy, 3M, Scotchgard Pro, 10-year warranty on these paint protection film pieces. They go straight over the Model 3 or on the Model S. They're the same install video because it's super simple. You just position it and squeegee out the water, and that's it. So we give you a little soap, concentrate, add it to water, spray it on the car. Use this to prep it and clean it. Nothing tricky about it. Then get it wet one more time. And then we simply want to peel this off with wet fingers so you don't get fingerprints on it. Just peel it off, spray the back, spray the front, lay it down on top without getting it dirty, and simply position it. So when you use this concentrated soap, it's going to give you just enough mobility or movement to slide it around, get it exactly where you want it. So start on one end, line it up. You see you're hanging over the side, pull it to the left, pull it down, position it, check the tabs, make sure you're not too far over one way or the other. Get it wet one more time. Use the squeegee we give you and just squeegee the top. This is pushing the water out from underneath. That's it. No stretching, nothing, no hard areas to wrap around or contours. Just squeegee it out. The more water you put on top and the more time you spend pressing it down, you'll get all the water out from underneath. Keep it wet on top. If you don't keep it wet on top, you could drag it and lift it off. Let it sit for a minute or two and then slowly dry it. Don't push too hard. It hasn't dried yet. Clean your car up, and you'll notice that because of this beautiful glossy finish, you're going to have a nice, beautiful shine on the door sills. And again, you are covered with paint protection film or clear bra. This again, of course, is 3M Scotchgard Pro. The best money can buy. Anybody steps on it, anyone scuffs it, it's not going to scratch from heels. It's not going to mark up. You just simply rub it off. This is self-healing. If someone did step on it with a high heel and scratch it, you can use a heat gun on it or a hair dryer, and it'll actually expand right before your eyes and heal itself. Of course, it is limited to how deep the cut may be or the scratch may be. Thanks again, RPM Tesla. All right.